Imagine discovering a simple, everyday food that costs just $1, yet holds the key to building muscle more effectively than expensive protein powders. Recent findings have revealed a surprising solution that could transform the way seniors over 70 approach their health and strength. This unassuming item, often overlooked in grocery aisles, is now capturing the attention of scientists and nutritionists alike. What makes it so powerful, and why has it remained under the radar for so long? As we delve deeper, prepare to uncover the unexpected truth behind this remarkable food and its potential to revolutionize muscle health for older adults. As people enter their 60s and 70s, they often experience a rapid decline in muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. This loss of muscle strength can lead to significant weakness, making everyday tasks more challenging. Poor muscle function also affects balance, increasing the likelihood of dangerous falls and related injuries. These changes not only impact mobility, but can also reduce overall quality of life. However, recent research suggests that a simple dietary solution may help slow or even reverse muscle loss, offering hope for maintaining strength and independence in later years. Eggs are often hailed as the ultimate superfood, and for good reason. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Their nutrient-rich yolks provide vital vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B12, and choline, which support energy production and overall health. With healthy fats and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, eggs offer a balanced nutritional profile that is hard to match. Low in calories yet incredibly satiating, eggs are a natural choice for anyone seeking to build muscle efficiently. Their versatility and affordability make them a staple in diets around the world. Eggs are often considered a superior protein source for seniors when compared to protein powders. This is largely due to their exceptionally high biological value, meaning the body can efficiently use the protein they provide. Eggs are also naturally rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in stimulating muscle growth and repair, especially important for older adults who may experience age-related muscle loss. Unlike many protein powders, eggs offer a complete amino acid profile in a natural, easily digestible form. The combination of high-quality protein and abundant leucine makes eggs particularly effective at supporting muscle maintenance and overall health in seniors. Eggs offer a range of health benefits that are especially valuable for seniors. They are a natural source of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Eggs also contain choline, an essential nutrient that supports brain health and may help preserve memory and cognitive function as we age. Additionally, the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs contribute to eye health, helping to protect against age-related macular degeneration. By incorporating eggs into their diet, seniors can support their bones, eyes, and brain, benefiting from a nutrient-dense food that is both versatile and easy to prepare. Timing plays a crucial role in maximizing the benefits of protein intake for muscle growth, especially for seniors. Consuming eggs at breakfast provides the body with high-quality protein early in the day, which can help stimulate muscle protein synthesis after an overnight fast. This early intake supports muscle maintenance and growth, as the body is most responsive to protein following periods without food. For older adults, distributing protein evenly throughout the day, starting with a protein-rich breakfast like eggs, has been shown to be particularly effective in preserving muscle mass. Eggs are not only convenient, but also contain all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. By prioritizing eggs at breakfast, seniors can take a proactive step towards supporting their muscle health and overall well-being. Scientific research consistently highlights eggs as a powerful food for muscle building, especially in older adults. Dr. Stuart Phillips, a renowned professor of kinesiology at McMaster University, emphasizes that the high-quality protein in eggs is particularly effective at stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Nutritionist Dr. Lane Norton notes that eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them an ideal choice for maintaining and building muscle mass as we age. Studies published in journals like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that older adults who consume eggs regularly experience greater improvements in muscle strength and function compared to those who rely on lower-quality protein sources. Experts agree that the combination of bioavailable protein, vitamins, and minerals found in eggs makes them a superior option for supporting healthy aging and muscle maintenance. Many people believe that the egg white is the only valuable part of the egg, especially when it comes to building muscle. However, recent insights reveal that the yolk holds remarkable benefits, particularly for seniors. The yolk is packed with nutrients that support muscle growth, help balance hormones, and even play a role in controlling inflammation. Far from being just a source of cholesterol, the yolk contains essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. These elements work together to enhance overall strength and well-being. By looking beyond the protein-rich white, seniors can unlock the full potential of eggs for their health. Did you know there's a simple way to make eggs even healthier, especially for seniors? In just 30 seconds, you can transform your morning eggs into a nutrient powerhouse, helping your body absorb more of the vitamins and minerals it needs. This easy recipe uses ingredients you probably already have at home, and it's designed to boost the benefits of every bite. Stay tuned to discover how a small change can make a big difference in your daily nutrition. In summary, incorporating 2 eggs a day into the diet can offer seniors over 70 a natural, safe, and cost-effective way to rebuild muscle. Eggs provide essential nutrients and high-quality protein, supporting strength and overall well-being. This simple dietary change can make a significant difference in maintaining independence and vitality. By choosing this approach, seniors are empowered to take proactive steps toward better health and improved quality of life.